In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage products efficiently within Pipedrive. Whether you're new to Pipedrive or just looking to refine your process, these steps will walk you through how to add and manage products seamlessly. Let's get started with this guide. First, head over to the Pipedrive homepage to access your pipeline. This homepage is your central hub. It's where you can view and manage all your existing deals and track progress. Once you're on the pipeline homepage, you'll notice a sidebar to your left. This is where you'll find additional functionalities to help you manage your workflow more efficiently. Next, on the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see three dots. Click on these. This opens up a menu that provides access to various features and functions within Pipedrive, making navigation a breeze. From this menu, you want to select Products. This option will direct you to the Products section, where you can handle all things related to the products your business offers. Once you're in the Products section, look for the button that says Add Product. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you can add new items to your product catalog. You're now ready to start filling out details for the product you wish to add. Starting with the name of your product, type it into the designated field. It's important to be clear and specific here, as a well-named product can save time and prevent misunderstandings later. Along with the name, you'll need to provide a product code. This code acts as a unique identifier, so be sure it makes sense for your inventory system. Next, you'll type in the unit number. This represents the standard quantity of the product as it is tracked or sold. Entering this information accurately is crucial for tracking and managing inventory effectively. Now, it's time to fill in the unit price. This is the cost of one standard unit of your product, and getting this number right ensures proper pricing in your sales pipeline. Following that, input the tax percentage applicable to the product. This will help ensure all your sales transactions are accurately calculated and compliant with financial regulations. Finally, once all these fields are complete, take a moment to review your entries. Once you're satisfied everything is correct, click Save. This action will add your new product to the system, making it available for inclusion in any deals or proposals you're preparing. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward method to manage your products in Pipedrive. By following these steps, you'll keep your product listings organized and up to date, helping you streamline operations and maintain a more efficient sales process. Thank you for joining me today, and happy selling!